How to dropship from Alibaba to Shopify. Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today I'm going to talk about dropshipping from Alibaba to Shopify. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without having to carry any inventory. When a customer places an order, you simply contact your supplier and they will ship the product directly to the customer. So, without further ado, let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to log into your Shopify account, and if you don't have one, it is easy to create an account. And then we need to install Alibaba. Alibaba is a popular marketplace for dropshippers because it is a wide range of products at competitive prices. However, it is important to note that not all Alibaba suppliers offer dropshipping services. So in this case, let's click this Dropshipping Alibaba Official. Then click install. Now that we're able to log into your Alibaba account, we can now search for different products that you want to sell to your Shopify store. And in here, I want this men's hoodie, and let's click import list. It says importing it completed, but it is not really imported because if you click this import list, it is not yet listed. So what I did, or what are we going to do, is to go to import list and then search for products. And then can try again another product, for example, and it should be imported completed with a check sign. And as you can see on the import list, it is now already imported. And if you want to edit your product, you can actually do this in here. You can change the name, you can change this one, you can put a tag, the product type, the collection that we have in here in our Shopify store, and you can also edit the description, but I think the description is already great. Also, you can change the variant, the price in here, the images. It is already uploaded, and if you're satisfied, you can push to store. And now it is being published to our store. And now our product has been pushed successfully to our Shopify store. So let's go back to our Shopify store and then click products, and let's see if it is really added. And it's in here. You can see this is the one that we have added a while ago. You can check this out. The description, the pictures in here. And then we can also take a look on our store, or you can just click this view online store. If it is already added, you can view all your products, and it is on September collection, so it's not yet added on our collection. So what are we going to do is to add that on our collection. Click the products and then collections, and then go to the September collection because this is our featured collection, and then search for products, or you can browse and then add the product that we imported from Alibaba. Then click done, and then let's go back to our store, then refresh this page, and then let's go to our featured collection, which is the September collection 2023. And as you can see here, this is the product that we imported a while ago from Alibaba. And that's it. That is how you import products from Alibaba to your Shopify store. And in conclusion, dropshipping from Alibaba to Shopify is a great way to start an online business without having to carry any inventory. By following the steps that I've mentioned, you can start dropshipping from Alibaba to Shopify today. So if you're interested in learning more about dropshipping from Alibaba to Shopify, this video is helpful for you, and I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tutorial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.